Oh, what you win? What you win?
It only flies when there's wind. Let me go real quick. I can't believe I just flied it.
Look at it. Watch.
Wait, is this how you're supposed to hold it?
Like this, watch. Deep like this.
I think that's when I'm supposed to like do nose dives or something. It's top. It's like top heavy.
Might be backwards. Put it right.
Let me try again. If you put it like this. If you put it backwards.
The wind's blowing. Other way. This way. Oh, nope.
Are you sure you're supposed to? I'm going to hold it back.
I want to put it in the car. Let me do it one time before I go. Turn over.
So there's no wind.
For tonight, I'm gonna see mama journey.
If I could try putting it upside down. I can see it, I see it. What's this? I can see. What's this?
I'm watching.
Watch it. Don't get. No,
Whoa, cool.
not like that.
Straighten it
not
up.
No, it's like this. Oh, it didn't make me.
Let me try. Oh, you did that one.
I went in a circle. Oh!
You gotta throw up. You can't throw down.
I'm trying to go up.
Good job. You made it do a twist.
No, that's not how it's supposed to go. You do it straight.
Cause look, you're doing this. Keep your arm like that. Look, see?
You know what happens if you go way up there and then shoot like that? Way back.
Hey, you win this for it. That means you did a good job.
It landed
Go over there. I'll throw it to you.
right
Right there. No, right there. No. It's not gonna make it that far. Oh, it might. Almost.
No, don't get it.
All right.
It's my time. Don't touch it. That's because it ain't started yet.
Let me try. Throw it at me.
No.
There's no wind. It might not go nowhere.
Oh.
Look, Hoda, the fireworks.